we?
11 weeks.
11 weeks. Here, turn to the side.
Not me.
Zoom it in. Take your hand and go like this.
It's growing.
Woo! Grady's got to rub it and feel it. How much have we gained? All right. So how far along are we?
Got a big old belly.
Big old belly. We had a little Gracie. Mommy's 29 weeks.
Yeah.
Looking good. What else are we going to say? Hold your shirt up a little bit. You got your maternal... Oh my goodness. Hold it up. You can see it better like that. My goodness, Gracie. Big old
Big
butt.
old baby.
There you go. Okay.
Yeah.
They come along August 21st. But yeah, the butt is getting bigger. Wait a minute. We're going to zoom in. How far along? Come on now.
I don't know. 38 weeks.
Getting close.
Okay, let's get a side shot. Look, check it out.
Yep, missing a button.
Well, look, so I can run it.
Look at that big belly, Gracie.
Oh,
All right, turn around, butt shot. Butt shot. Woo, no. Mine was twice that size, I do believe. That was twice that size. Feeling good?
feeling great.
Feeling great.
Ready.
Had contractions for the first time. What? Yes, was that yesterday? Yesterday, with you at Walmart with
Granny.
Granny Bowling.
No.
No, not Granny. Granny Bear.
Yeah.
What about? No, not. I'm thinking Granny Bear. Mamaw Reed is who I think of when you say that. So, and you got what? When you went to
swelling.
yeah. When you went to the doctor, when was it? The 30th? Because today's the 5th. She weighed 5 pounds, 12 ounces?
14.
14 ounces. So she's coming along. Ready to go. Ready to come out.
Looks like a girl.
Still looks like a girl. If not, Dalton, we're sorry. We're very sorry. All right, zooming out. Zooming in. 5 months, baby boy. Look at you in that big old mommy's belly. Get your mommy a big butt. Look at that butt. Getting wide. And Dad's chilling out. Look at him. He's waiting for the moment. He's building up. Alright. You go to the doctor Tuesday to find out what you're having. So we'll find out what that little critter is. And we'll see you later. Bye-bye.
What are you doing?
Having a baby.
Here's my easy chair
That's easy chair.
so I can pass out.
On the rough bed.
Yeah. Watching a little sports center. Trying to relax.
Show Gracie's bed.
Huh? Okay, we're spinning around.
Oh my gosh, I won't be able to watch it on the puke.
I don't reckon you'll be puking. Here's Gracie's bed. Got the little diapers and little cat. Oh, how else you want me to record? How else you want me to record?
Alright, that's good. Now let me record you.
How about it phone up?
You have to have the floor home.
How do you turn it down?
There's Dad. Getting ready for the big moment. Well, I'm not getting you.
Nah.
No, you're too close. Alright, now select your mustard. Alright, good job. Okay. See you in a little while. Good job. Oh, look at her.
She's beautiful.
Mommy, we love you.
She's beautiful.
Oh, look at
Okay, here, Dan, shorten the rest of this. Right
Where
here.
you want me to cut
Right
it?
here. Shorten the rest of this, right
Wait a
there.
minute, let me get this.
Okay.
Okay.
Good job. Look at there.
Okay, there she is in all of her glory.
I gotta get a picture of her too. Let me get right up here, Daryl.
Well, come
Oh
on.
my gosh,
Get up
isn't
here.
that
Congratulations.
Look at
Get your hand, Kendra. Let me get your hand.
Thanks.
you. Take a mine.
Is she beautiful or what?
Oh, honey, she is absolutely gorgeous.
I can take her over here a little dried off and I'll bring
And
her
it
back.
is
I
a little
promise.
girl, right?
I wouldn't be happy either.
I don't know. Was she right?
Look at the hair. She's got a lot of hair, Sam.
Right now.
12:02 she was born. We should have been at lunch.
She's not.
I told her at 12 we were going to lunch.
You gonna file a grievance, are you?
Yeah, we are. Wait, you see the bill for the overtime. The union sent you for making
Here
us 2
comes the
minutes late for
footprint.
lunch.
Tyler's screaming.
We do some strange things out here, don't we? What are we doing to your foot?
Oh, it's so sweet.
Okay, girl, she's got your mouth.
Huh? Well, long as she has a mother's look, she'll be.
No, I'll put it back right now. Okay, bye.
Oh, it's not happy.
She, not it.
What's Kelly's phone?
Look at her little ears.
Flop down. She's full of goofy stuff. You stick all over the place.
Fingers and toes.
Yeah.
How much does she weigh right now?
Just a minute. Hold on a minute.
It's coming up.
Yep, baby. There we go. I hear you, Grace, huh?
Very long.
Oh, good. That'll be 7 pounds, 2 ounces.
7'2".
That's a 7-pounder.
3220. Okay.
Dr. Mitch, you did a great job.
Huh?
You can wipe that off. There's a little, yeah.
You weren't pretty quick.
There we go.
Sometimes they have to
You want me to
go back to
haul this out?
There's the crowd Popeye, 7 pounds. How much?
2 ounces.
2 ounces. She looks just like Daryl. She really does, Daryl. She's got your eyes. She's got your mouth.
She weighs 714. What does she weigh, 72?
Squint.
Huh?
How long was she?
Hi there, baby. Oh, hi, sweetheart.
And she's 72.
Right, to hold the record button?
Huh? That red button.
For, keep holding it?
No, you don't have to.
Oh, I got it. Oh, look at that baby. She's actually got a handful of hair. And she's probably hurt herself.
Again.
It smells good. Yeah, you gotta like this. Get your hair clean.
That smells so good.
Yeah, it does. Is that clean?
Oh, her poor head.
Sweet. Sad story. See your mom.
Where is she? Oh, there she is.
Look at her taking her first
Oh,
bottle.
there she is, taking its first little bottle. And she is sucking it down, I'm telling you. She is. She was hungry.
Oh, really? Cool.
It don't look like the same one that come out. I have to clean her up.
Isn't she precious? And look at Mommy. Doesn't she just look gorgeous after
yeah.
having a
Isn't that
baby? Jenny loves this.
Very.
Goodness. Little Gracie.
Are you coming? Okay, hey, how's the young man? Are you videotaping it?
Yeah.
Big blue eyes.
Back here. Well, thank you. Thank you for coming.
Yep, thanks for coming.
Well, we were going to stop by and see her.
I told Jimmy, hurry. He came in from work. I said, hurry up, come on, we gotta eat, we gotta go. And my sister came, I said, we're ready, we're standing waiting on her to come.
Hey,
Jimmy,
go.
go.
75 and just come 71.
I'll zoom in on her. Little Gracie all dressed up to go home. Got them big nice shoes on. All slickered up.
Oh, don't videotape me.
There's her beautiful mama.
Yeah.
You can see where she gets her good looks from.
Oh, yeah.
Talk to us, mama.
I want to take Gracie's picture. From an upper angle.
From an upper angle. Don't you fall. I think her batteries went out.
Oh.
But we ain't gonna be able to shoot when we get home.